background. Do you like it? It is a fake background. Look at this background too. Do you like it? It's also fake. Look at this background too. Do you like it? It's also fake. Well, I'm here to show you how to generate fake video backgrounds for your videos. You're about taking your video editing skills to the next level. You know what? You can do this with just your smartphone. If you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to do this step by step in just a few minutes. Hi, you're welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of seeing me, my name is CHIZY'S. On this channel, we talk all around creativity, holding your hands in your DIY journey. With no further delay, let's go straight to the business of today. Okay, so let me quickly let you know some rules while creating a video with a fake background. The rule number 1, ensure that your background is very plain. No color riots. Rule number 2, make sure that the color of your dress is quite different from your background. And lastly, make sure there are no shadows behind you. This is to ensure that you have a very clear video. Okay, in this video, we're going to generate a picture. We're going to generate a picture background for our video. And the app we want to use in doing this is called Leonardo.ai. Like I said, we're using 3 apps. Leonardo.ai, use it to generate your pictures. We use Canva to edit it, then we use CapCut to do the video itself. So go to your Google, type Leonardo.ai. You wait for it to open. When it comes up like this, scroll up and choose the first option. The one that says Leonardo.ai. You will have a background like this. You sign up. So create an account with Leonardo using your Gmail account or Microsoft account. Just click on Google. If you have multiple accounts, it will bring out all your accounts. Then choose the one you want to use to sign up to Leonardo. Choose the account. Choose the account and choose continue. When it opens up, you're going to input your username. You have to prepare the username you want. Prepare the username you want that you will not forget, just like you are creating an account. And as you are creating the account, you are typing the username. It will show you whether it's available or it's not available. Once it turns green as you are typing or as you finish creating, you know the account is available and it will be assigned to you. So after creating an account, you select your interests. Example, stock image. What are the things that attracts your interest, your attention? You can see I'm selecting lots of them. You can select as many as you want. They just want to know what you are interested in. Then check that box, click next. You select what best describes you, especially for personal use. You want to exploit Leonardo for personal use. You scroll down and click Start using AI. Start use. If you look up, you will see you have 150 credits where that arrow is pointing. Any image you generated, they're going to take like 24 credits, and maybe you finish this your 150. That means you're going to subscribe for their upgrade if you want or if you wish. So you just have to use your credit wisely while creating your images. And there was a mistake I made when I was starting my own. I had to download one image more than once, and that reduced my credit more. So I don't want you to make such mistakes. Okay, click AI generation and click on the prompt box. Then you begin to type, describe the image. What you're typing, you are describing the image, exactly the image you want to see. Type in the prompt box, type it there, exactly what you want. When you're done, you click generate. You can see where that arrow is pointing. It says generate. You're going to describe the image, because exactly what you describe is what you're going to see. If you want to see an image, a room with lights, with lamp table, with lamp, with a ceiling fan, anything you put there, exactly the way you describe it, Leonardo AI is going to bring it out for you like that. It's going to bring out the kind of image. So you're going to think very well. You can take out your time and create this right up. So you can just copy it and paste it to avoid making mistake, so as to utilize the credits you have and the time you have also while creating your beautiful image. So when you are done, you click on generate. Once you click on generate, it will bring out for you lots of images, and you are the one to make your choice. You choose the one you want. Different kinds of images, different kinds, different types, just choose the one you want. Make your choice. Make your choice, and then you download the image. You click save. To select the image you want, you can even go as far as selecting all the images. If you want to have all the images that has been generated, you can click on all the images and download every one of them. So click, once you touch the image, you will see a downloading icon. You just download and save, and it's going to save in your gallery or anywhere your images or your pictures go straight to. That's where it will go and save. Okay, now after saving the image you got from Leonardo.ai, The next thing is to move on to Canva. Canva is what we're going to use to edit this image. You know, we are creating YouTube thumbnail. That is your video background. You know, YouTube is 16.9 ratio, but you can see the image that was downloaded here was just like 1.1. So we're going to edit it using our Canva app. So you go to Canva, you go to your Google. If you have the Canva app, you go through. If you don't have, then go to Google, type canva.com and wait for it to open. Once you open, click thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. You can see where the arrow is pointing. YouTube thumbnail. It will open for you and bring out different kinds of thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails that you can edit. Choose the one you want to edit. Like I choose this secret you should know. Click on it. If you click on it, you will see an option for you to replace it with the image you want. So all you have to do is to click on that replace, and then it will bring out where you will choose. Where are you going to choose what you want to do? Replace through your device, Facebook, Google, anywhere. Is device. That's where what we created went. So click on that device to bring out. See all those things I downloaded. I downloaded lots of them. I just touched one of it that I want to use and create my YouTube thumbnail. You can see it's coming up. Once it comes up like this, if it's still loading, if it finished loading, you touch it. Immediately you touch it, it's going to replace that thumbnail format that you chose. You see what I chose before, but it's going to replace it right now. It's still loading. Once it's done, it will just replace the thumbnail. That is the image we downloaded from Leonardo.ai. You can see it has replaced it for me. Okay, so as this image is now, you can bring any overlay on it. As in, what I mean, you can bring any other image you want and put on it. Right now, what I want to put here is just a YouTube icon. So I go to element in my Canva. It will bring different things. See, this is one of them. I just chose that one, and then I bring it in, place it anywhere I want. If you want to bring in any other thing, go to element. If you want to bring from your devices, it will give you option to upload from your device. You click upload from your device. If you want to choose from Canva app, you choose like I chose this one. And when you're done, the next thing is just to download the image. This is what we're going to use to create our video. The background I want to use for my video. Okay. After downloading, so the first thing to do is to click on the CapCut to change the background of your video. The first thing to do is to click on the CapCut app, because we are using CapCut as one of the apps. So when you click on CapCut, when it opens, click on new projects. If it opens, then click on this plus icon here. Clicking on the plus icon is for you to go and take the picture, the background you want to use for your video, to make the one you want to use as the background of your video. So we're going to look for that one that we curated, the one we got from Canva. So that's it over here. You click on it. That is it. Click add. It comes up. That is it. So when it comes up like this, when it comes up, the next thing to do is to click on overlay. Overlay helps you to bring in the video you want to use. Click on add overlay. Then go and choose the video you want to use. Okay, let's say I want to use any of these videos here right now.
If you like the content, make sure to hit that like.
Let me use this particular video. You choose the video, you click add. That's the video. You can see the background ads at the back of this video. Okay, the next thing to do is scroll down to where you have remove BG. That's remove background. Click on remove BG. If you click on remove BG, you click on auto remove. When you click on auto remove, it will be removing it for you. You can see it's still working. When it's done, it will tell you that the background is removed. Then you check that mark icon. When you check it, this is what you have. The background has been removed, and you can see you can carry it and keep it anywhere you want it to be. You can keep it, you can reduce the size, you can decrease the size, you can increase the size, you can just do anything you want on it.
Like the content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with my latest video.
Okay, that's it, guys. That's just it. You can see today we looked at changing background with picture, using a picture as a background. But in my next video, I will teach you how to change the background using video like this. Just subscribe and stay updated so that you will be notified when I will post another video. Thank you.